This is CS50's Game Development Course Assignment 6. In this assignment, we were given just one specification to add to the game. We had to implement the game in such a way that when the player presses the spacebar after they've launched an alien and it hasn't hit anything yet, split the alien into three aliens that all behave like the base alien. And after colliding and killing an alien or an obstacle, we have to make sure that all the split aliens must stop and only then will the level be restarted. In order to do this, we go to alien launch maker.lua, and on line 31 I've created a variable called collides which is set to false, and on line 37 and 38 alien 1 and alien 2 which is set to nil, which will be our two aliens, and our collides function makes sure whether we have collided with an obstacle or alien or not. Then we go to line number 77. We check if we press the keyboard and if our player object has not collided with anything. If these conditions are true, then we generate two alien objects, which is initialized at alien in line 79 and 84 in our cell.alien1 and cell.alien2, and we have given them a y value of plus 30 and minus 30 to give the effect that these two split aliens would be above and below the base alien. Next, we go to level.lua, and in level.lua on line number 15, we create a self.hit variable which is set to false to check whether our player has hit any other obstacle or alien. Then we use this variable in our callback function on line 30, where we set it to true if our player has collided with our obstacle, as well as on line number 73 if our player has collided with our alien. We then go to our update function, and on line 154, if our self.hit is true, then we set the collides variable in our alien launchmaker.lua to true. Next, in our update function, we go to line 198 after we launch. Just before that, on line 192, I've created a table of players which contains all the aliens, and then inside our launched statement, we iterate through all the players in our self.players table. We get their position and their linear velocity, and we check if they have either gone past a certain bound or their velocity is less than a certain value. And if these conditions are met, we remove these players from the table and we insert them into a destroy table, which will be destroyed after checking of all the players have been done. And we create a variable called restart, which checks if all the players are checked, and if all the players have been checked and the conditions have been met for all the players, we then remove we then destroy the bodies of each of the players, which are our aliens. And then if there is an alien still alive on our field, we call our alien launch marker, which recreates the level. Else, it would just take us to the start state if our alien is dead as well. That's it. I will be showing a demonstration now.